Usually clothing are considered to be soundless, but when we start to move, we make sounds. I'm exploring alternative fashion expressions that are based on sound in order to challenge fashion design field and also to develop new methods and tools. If you would close your eyes, you could hear someone is passing by with high heels. Somewhere far away you can hear someone is unzipping the dress or bag. So in a way, sound, it is a component of identity. I wanted to invite different visitors to explore and consider dress in a completely new way.